And according to sources, we're learning that the government will launch Umeed Waqf portal on June 6th. The government is going to launch the Umeed portal on June 6th with an aim to promote management and transparency of Waqf properties. So, according to sources, the government is all set to launch Umeed Waqf portal on June 6th. Now, this portal is being launched with an aim to promote management as well as transparency of the Waqf properties. My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us with more details on this. Piyush, could you give us more details about the Umeed portal that is going to be launched on June 6th?
Well, that's right, Anjali. What we are now learning from our sources is that most likely the government is going to launch the Umeed portal, and it will be in the beneficial of all the unregistered Waqf properties and the users. Why? Because after this portal is launched, then all the Waqf properties will be registered. What we are learning is from our sources is that the government is doing so to regulate the Waqf properties and to ensure that there is no misuse of any kind of Waqf land, and that is why this portal is also being launched. You would remember that a couple of days back in the parliament itself, the Waqf bill was also passed. After this, we have also seen a lot of politics taking place, but the government has been ensuring that this Waqf bill was brought and it has been made into act, because government wants to give justice to a lot of people who have been deprived of their rights, and this Waqf Act is certainly going to bring transparency, and launching the app, the Umeed portal, this is certainly going to bring a lot of transparency, because after this is launched, properties those are under the name of Waqf would be registered. Anjali.
All right, Piyush, thank you so much for getting us all those details. So the government is all set to launch the Umeed portal on June 6 for the management of Waqf properties.